There are about 90 parts here for the entire kit.
Before I start sanding out the surface of this body, I want to deepen these panel lines. Now this body is pretty thin, so I don't want to do it too deep, but one thing that I've learned is there is more than one kind of panel deepener. My number one was the backside of this hobby knife. And then I bought this bare metal foil brand panel scriber. And what you can see is this is actually, it widens. So this is sort of, I don't really want to use this. This is from the 100 yen store, and it's just pointy. This is definitely something that you don't want to use for your fine models. See how thick it is? First of all, see how thick it is? And this thing will tear up your model cars. Don't use this for what I'm going to be doing. This I just bought in Japan is a Tamiya panel scriber. You see that little hook at the end? This thing is sharp. This I bought the 0.2 needle for, and I'm just gonna quickly do a line here. I'm applying no pressure at all, and it makes perfect lines. Nice, huh? Before, after. So I will carefully go around all of the edges. Just a few times. I just want to get them nice and deep so that when comes time to put the panel liner in it after paint, that the panel liner will have something to go into. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the doors and the hood as well.
This is Mr. Finishing Surfacer 1500 Black. I thinned it 50-50 with Mr. Rapid Thinner. And I'm going to be using the Mobius TG from Gallery. 0.5 needle. 20 psi. In order to get the best finish possible, I am block sanding all of the primer that I just shot to identify any low spots, like right there. I used some putty right there, but smoothed it out really good. So this will be the flattest that it can possibly be. So this is what I'm starting with. Grab a piece of 320 grit, Tamiya sandpaper, and it reveals all of the imperfections in the print, like this. See that? That would show up in the final. So I need to block sand the whole thing down to identify any spots like that and make them flat. And like I said, it's just this is boring part of model building, but it's worth it in the final product. I'll come back when I'm all done and all this will be gone. And now the body is completely scratch free and in its final primer coat. Next step for the body will be a coat of gloss black, and then Prism metallic turquoise light blue. It's a flip blue to green, and it's going to look amazing. For the interior, we're going to do racing white and dark ghost gray. So I've got pictures of a car that is in these colors, and I think I really like it a lot. So that's what I'm going to go with. So I'll see you in the paint booth and we'll start doing more primer. Alright, so we're going to start with light color pieces. So I'll be using Tamiya Liquid Surface Primer, white, thin 50/50 with Mr. Color Leveling Thinner to the consistency of water. I'll be using again the Mobius TG 0.5. Next one is Racing White, Mr. Color Leveling Thinner, 50/50. And for this, I'm going to be using my Aventus scalemodelexperiment. This is a 0.2 needle, 20 psi. Hey, thanks for sticking around to this part of the video. I know this isn't real exciting stuff, painting, but you have to start somewhere. So I'd like to get all of the parts in primer and then start detail painting out, masking things off, the detail stuff. But I want to save the body for last because I have a bad habit of painting the body, clearing the body, polishing the body, and then giving up, starting something else. So I want to save my favorite part for the last part. So we'll do chassis next, black parts, gray parts, and see you in the next video. Thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see you next time.